Is your Amazon Fire tablet dragging its feet? Well, in this explainer, we're going to give it a speed boost.
If your tablet's feeling sluggish, don't worry. We've got some simple, effective tweaks to fix that.
All right, here's our 5-part game plan to get things running faster.
First things first, let's get rid of all the digital junk that's slowing your tablet down.
Wiping the cache is a fantastic first move. It safely clears out all those temporary files that build up.
Okay, this is a bit of a hidden feature. Just follow these 4 steps to clear out that cache.
Think of it like a digital spring cleaning. Ditching old apps frees up a ton of precious resources.
All right, next up, system settings. This one is all about making the tablet feel faster to use.
Now, this won't boost raw power, but wow, it makes navigating feel so much quicker.
Just follow these steps to kill the animations. And hey, be careful in here, don't touch anything else.
Now let's talk storage. How you use it actually has a huge impact on your tablet's overall speed.
And this is a super common mistake. Putting apps on an SD card will actually slow them way down.
See? The internal storage is just way faster. So use SD cards for photos and movies, not for apps.
Your tablet is doing a lot in the background that you don't even see. Let's shut some of it down.
We can reduce that background chatter by turning off some of Amazon's built-in data reporting.
Now, where you find these settings depends on your Fire OS version, so just check the chart.
And hey, if you're not an Alexa user, just turn it off. There's no reason to have it running.
Okay, finally, let's cover an advanced tip and just be real about your tablet's hardware limits. This one's for advanced users. The Fire Toolbox is powerful, but seriously, use it with caution.